A look live out at ACL. I'll tell you what, a lot of people talking about Chapel Roan, Tyler the Creator. That's tomorrow, but it's going to be really hot out there. That's what we're expecting.
Dusty, right? I mean, it's been since September 5th since we've had that measurable rainfall. Now 37 days at Camp Mabry in Austin.
We need some rain.
On top of that, much hotter than average start to the month. It's been in the mid-90s every single day to kick off the month. So all that is just contributing to just that oppressive heat. And as Barrett talked about, hydration is important and sunscreen for those who are going back tomorrow.
But there's good news.
There's great news.
Yes.
Cold front moving through. We've been talking about that for a few days now. Let's first recap October. I'm going to go in depth real quick here. Those red boxes, that represents warmer than average highs. 98 was the official high temperature today at Camp Mabry. This high pressure and clear skies, you could thank for that. Cold front to the north, this slow moving cold front could deliver seasonable highs starting on Wednesday. I'll get to that in just a bit, but first tonight your local forecast, 67 winds will be calm tomorrow. We're back up into the upper 90s. Winds will be out of the southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Your day planner for your Sunday, 67 at 7 a.m. Sunshine all throughout the day. Probably not even a single cloud. 88 for lunchtime plans, 98 for 4 p.m. We could get to 100 degrees. This one model shows that by the afternoon hours here. I think 101 is a little bit extreme for the Austin metro area, but still upper 90s is definitely a guarantee. Still cooling down by the evening hours on Sunday in the 90s, then overnight Sunday into Monday, we'll get back down to the upper 60s. For the record, if we do hit 100 degrees, it will be the latest ever triple-digit day. October 2nd is the current record. It happened twice in 1923 and 1938. So if we hit 100 for your Sunday, we'll be 11 days past that current record. But beyond Sunday, I think we should be trending a little bit cooler. Could break a record high for Monday as well. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday into the end of next week, that's when our 80s will return. It's great news. Here's why. That cold front will move through our region very slowly. High pressure continues to move to the east. And that front sort of turns stationary and then kind of fizzles out. But still, the idea is cooler weather and the chance for some showers could build in. Here's the future clouds and radar playing this out next Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Notice some rain chances returning over Texas. Now, nothing guaranteed and not a washout. Only have 20% confidence as of now for Friday and Saturday. That's better than yesterday. Yesterday I had 10%, so hopefully tomorrow, if these trends continue, I can go up to 30% for that. And I'm watching the tropics as well. This area in the eastern Atlantic, 30% chance of development. Not too concerned about it, but we do know we still have 20% of the tropic season left. Looking at this overall climatology here, the season actually ends at the end of November, so we have to keep an eye on all sorts of Western Caribbean, even potential Atlantic low-pressure developments to see if something does turn into our next named storm, which would be Nadine. Right now, there's no U.S. threat for any sort of landfall in the tropics through the next 7 to 10 days. Your first warning weather 7-day forecast, upper 90s on your Sunday tomorrow, then 96 on Monday, 95 on Tuesday. Sort of a big drop in temperatures Wednesday, Thursday into next week. Hey, maybe a shower. I'm rooting for it.